A very warm welcome to everyone. I'm Mrs. Banupriya, MCom MPhil, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Let us see the subject organizational behavior. First, what is organization? An organization is a body built for a collection of individuals who join together to achieve some common goals and objectives bounded by legal entities. Organizations are often referred to as a company, institution, association, government body, etc. They follow certain legal procedures like business registration, tax identification, and maintaining corporate book records. The person or people who start the organization are often called the founders. The founders are responsible for performing the above legal procedures or hiring someone for the same. Like once an organization is formed, it needs someone to lead and make important decisions. This person is called the leader or the head of the organization. The leader is responsible for guiding the group and ensuring everyone is working towards the goal. Let me tell you some examples for successful organization like WHO, World Health Organization, Google, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, etc. And definition of an organization. Organization refers to a structured entity formed for the purpose of pursuing specific goals or objectives. It involves the coordination of people, resources, and processes to achieve common aims. In essence, an organization provides a framework for individuals to work together in a systematic and efficient manner. Key components of the definition, which includes structure, purpose, and coordination. Historical perspective on organization. There are some few historical perspectives like ancient organization, medieval guides, industrial revolution, scientific management era, human relations movement. Ancient organizations. This is the earliest form of organization. Medieval guides. This is a Middle Ages form of organization. Industrial revolution. The 18th and 19th centuries witnessed the emergence of large-scale industrial organizations. The Industrial Revolution marked a shift from agrarian economies to industrialized societies, leading to the establishment of factories and corporations. Scientific management era. Scientific management is a theory of management that analyzes and synthesizes workflows. Its main objective is improving economic efficiency, especially labor productivity. It was one of the earliest attempts to apply science to the engineering of processes to management. Relations movement. The Hawthorne studies in 1920s and 1930s, led by Elton Mayo, emphasized the role of social and psychological factors in organizational behavior, challenging the earlier emphasis on purely scientific and mechanical aspects. Key elements of an organization. An organization comprises several key elements that contribute to its functionality. People. The employee is one of the very important part of an organization. There is no any alternative in an organization without employee. These like parties or some parties are stable, like what the organization and employees are connected to each other and it will remain forever. Structure. This is the second steps of the organizational behavior. Actually, structure means the formal relationship with on the job employee of an organization. Now, there is created different types of position for doing work nicely in the organization. These positions are designation or manager, accountant, administration, and general staffs. These officers and staffs have to connect structurally so that they can work efficiently and can play an important role in an organizational development. Processes. These are the methods and procedures used to carry out tasks and activities within the organization. Resources. This includes both human resources and non-human resources, which is necessary for the organization's operations. Objectives and goals of an organization. Objectives, these are the broad overarching aim that an organization strives to achieve. Goals are specific measurable targets set to accomplish the broader objectives. They provide a more detailed roadmap for the organization and its members. Alignment. Objectives and goals are critical for aligning the efforts of individuals within the organization. They create a shared understanding of what need to be achieved. Characteristics of an organization: structure and hierarchy. Organization have a defined structure that outlines how tasks, roles and responsibilities are organized. Hierarchy: organizations typically have a hierarchy that designates the level of authority and decision making. This hierarchy ensures a clear chain of command, which higher level having more decision making power and authority over lower levels. Coordination and cooperation. Coordination is effective organization requires coordination to ensure that activities are synchronized and aligned towards common goals. Cooperation is the willingness of individuals or groups to work together towards shared objectives. Permanence and flexibility. Permanence. Organizations are typically created with the intention of being enduring entities. They are designed to outlast individual members and continue operation over a long term. Flexibility. Despite the need for performance, organization must also be flexible to adopt the changing environment, market condition and technological advancements. Types of organization. There are three types, that is formal and informal organization, functional and divisional organization, centralized and decentralized organization. Formal and informal organization. A formal organization is deliberately created with an established structure, roles and hierarchy. It follows official rules, procedures and policies. An informal organization arises spontaneously among individuals within a formal organization. It is based on social relationships, shared interests, and informal networks. Functional and divisional organization. Functional organization, like employees are grouped based on their specialized skill and functions. Each department is dedicated to a specific business function. Divisional organization. The company is organized into semi-autonomous division, each responsible for a particular product, service, geographic area, or customer segment. Centralized and decentralized organization. Centralized organization, it in a centralized organization, decision making authority is concentrated at the top levels of management. Key decisions are made by a few individuals or a central authority. Decentralized organization. In a decentralized organization, decision making authority is distributed across various levels. Lower level managers have more autonomy in decision making. Achievement of goals. Organizational structure and processes are designed to facilitate the setting, communication, and achievement of your goals and objectives. Organizational behavior, which includes definition, importance, human behavior in organization, link between individuals and organizations. The definition and significance of an organization. That is, organization behavior is a field of study that examines the behavior of individual and group within an organizational context. It encompasses various factors that influence how people behave in organization, including their attitudes, perception, motivation, communication patterns, leadership styles, and group dynamics. Human behavior in organization, which includes attitudes and job satisfaction, motivation, communication, leadership and power, group dynamics, and teamwork. This video ends here. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.